I know you face challenges in your facility. Gearboxes, motors, reactor vessels, heat exchangers, all tucked behind pipe racks, conduit, control boxes, structural steel. Difficult to get to, and with your short outage schedule, your safety concerns, downtime, we at Barnhart have solved those problems. We have the tools to help. We can't bring them to you. They're too big. We've taken the time to scale down our tools, to bring them to you to see up close and personal in a lunch and learn, and we'll even bring the food.